This is what's called a vehicle service contract. This is going to protect you from any unexpected out-of-pocket expenses that will arise from any mechanical breakdowns. Now, you do get a manufacturer's warranty that comes with the Accord. It's a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty from Honda. And with the amount that you drive, this really, unfortunately, is just not going to cut it. You drive about 24,000 miles a year. Now, this whole big box here represents the life of the loan. And this small little blue box represents the amount of time that you would be under that manufacturer's warranty, with, in your case, be about 1.5 years until you drive right out of it. What I'm proposing is this all-state service contract that's going to seamlessly extend your coverage for 5 years or 100,000 miles. What that's going to do, it's going to cover any breakdown, parts and labor, above and beyond your normal maintenance items. Normal maintenance is described as, you know, your tires, oil changes, filters, brakes, that sort of thing. Anything above and beyond that, window motors, your AC components, fuel pumps, wheel bearings, water pumps, speed sensors, compressors, tie rod ends, all those suspension components. And most importantly, I know you're buying a Honda, but these cars these days, they're evolving on a yearly basis. The cars are more computer than anything anymore. You got a computer that controls the engine, the transmission, the drivetrain, the gizmos inside, everything. And when one of those computers goes out, you're looking at $1,500, maybe $2,500 easy just for the computer, not even including the labor, which labor at our shop is $125 an hour, and that too is going up on a yearly rate. So this again is going to cover you from any of those unexpected expenses that would arise. Now, there are some extra benefits. You get towing coverage, so you're not stranded on the side of the road. It does come with rental coverage as well. If the car's down for multiple days, you won't be without a car. You get trip interruption. If you're 100 miles away from home or more, they would reimburse you $100 a day for food and lodging. You get roadside assistance as well. So if you're stranded on the side of the road, need a jump start, need gas, anything of that nature, they'll be there to help. Now, going back to this, with that amount of time, you'd be driving pretty much 100,000 miles without coverage, without this package.
Yeah.
I'm sure you'd agree that that's kind of just too big of a risk to take, right?
Yeah, that is a pretty big risk.